Author and former business executive John Edwards, known for his deeply personal, emotional writing and vulnerability, concludes his life trilogy with Final Reflections. Coming soon, Final Reflections is slated before Christmas 2026. According to author John Edwards' official website, the upcoming novel will serve as the heartfelt conclusion to his deeply personal trilogy. The book wraps up a 6-year journey detailing his personal experiences with divorce, family estrangement, and eventual spiritual awakening. John Edwards' other books are available on Amazon and other book selling formats. What a Tale My Thoughts Will Tell, What's Not to Be Forgotten, and Estrangement, Restoring All Things in Christ. These translate his most painful and transformative personal trials directly into lessons of faith. Across his works, his narrative centers on three major real life pillars. Here is the backstory behind John Edwards' books. Number 1, coping with divorce and family estrangement. The emotional core of his writing stems from a period of profound personal loss. After going through a painful divorce, Edwards experienced severe family estrangement, finding himself entirely cut off from loved ones. Instead of hiding this pain, he used it as the foundation for his writing in the book Estrangement, Restoring All Things in Christ. He processes this agonizing silence directly. The book is structured as a raw series of open, unmailed letters to his family, capturing the day-to-day reality of coping with fractured relationships. Number 2, a 70-year journey of love, loss, and faith. In What a Tale My Thoughts Will Tell, Edwards looks back at a vast 70-year life canvas. He details the highest highs and lowest lows of his journey, tracking how his perspective on love evolved from youth to older adulthood. He emphasizes how life's unexpected challenges often strip away superficial distractions, eventually forcing an active acceptance of the past. For Edwards, looking back became a tool for self-reflection, allowing him to see the subtle transformations that unfolded within him, even as he faced the darkest moments. Edwards ingeniously applies and expertly crafts number 3, music as an emotional lifeline. Throughout his life, music served as a crucial tool for processing trauma. In his memoirs, he weaves specific song lyrics into the text to anchor his memories. He treats music not just as an entertainment source, but as a universal language capable of expressing grief, capturing nostalgia, and fostering emotional healing when words alone fail. His transition to spiritual awakening. The ultimate resolution of his real life timeline, which sets the stage for Final Reflections, is his shift from grief to a profound joy and spiritual awakening. He writes about discovering an absolute, unconditional higher power amid facing family estrangement and the current chaos of the world. This realization shifted his focus towards preparing for eternity, praising God daily, and finding quiet serenity in everyday blessings and prayer. His storytelling brims with true tales that are touching, joyful, genuinely funny, and sure to pull at your heartstrings. Get ready to unwrap the final chapter of John Edwards' trilogy, Final Reflections, embracing happiness, walking the spiritual path, and celebrating joy. A novel arriving during the holiday season to make your Christmas 2026 unforgettable. Look for updates on his author website, authorjohngedwards.com.